Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BandLab how to loop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Looping in BandLab is simple and can help you create repeating sections for beats, melodies or vocals. In order to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up a BandLab app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen, then simply tap on import to import your track to the BandLab, or simply tap on the recent projects that you are working on in the BandLab. Now once you're inside your track section, what you need to do in order to add a loop is simply select the track that you want to add the loop. Then you'll find this loop option or icon right here. Tap on that, and on the bottom you'll find the loop options. Simply select which one you want, then tap on the tick icon on the bottom right. Once that's done, the selected loop will be applied to the selected track. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.